Okay, in our video series on infectious medicine, in this video, we are going to talk about malaria. We are going to discuss the presentation and causes of malaria. We are going to discuss that how do you treat non-falciparum malaria and how do you treat falciparum malaria. How to give prophylaxis for malaria. Malaria is caused by a parasite Plasmodium. Plasmodium is transmitted through a female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito is the vector for Plasmodium parasite. Female Anopheles mosquito bites a person infected with Plasmodium, bites a person with malaria, and carries Plasmodium to a healthy person. When it bites the healthy person, it transmits the Plasmodium, resulting in transmission of malaria. Plasmodium has four different types. Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium ovale are very common. Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum, the very dangerous form of Plasmodium, Plasmodium knowlesi. These are the different types of Plasmodium parasites. Now, before going into the details of the treatment of malaria, we need to understand a few basic points in the life cycle. Whenever a female Anopheles mosquito carrying the Plasmodium bites a healthy person, it injects sporocytes into the blood of the healthy person. These sporocytes then enter the liver cells, and in the liver, they form schizonts. These schizonts then replicate in the liver and they form merocytes. Now, this is a very important point that within the liver, this replication is taking place and these merocytes are formed within the liver. So, the parasite is now in the liver. And then these merocytes are released from the liver and they spread in blood. Then these merocytes infect the human red blood cells, and within the red blood cells they proliferate again and again. And when they proliferate, they lead to the rupture of red blood cells. The rupture of red blood cells causes hemolysis, and within these red blood cells they form their gametocytes, male and female gametocytes. Now, with the second bite of female Anopheles mosquito takes up these gametocytes, and then these gametocytes fertilize within the mosquito now. So the human cycle has ended and female Anopheles mosquito cycle has started. These gametocytes fertilize within the Anopheles mosquito, and then sporocytes are formed, and then this sporocyte is again injected into the blood of a healthy person. So the key points in the whole life cycle is that sporocytes are the one that are injected in blood, and then they replicate in liver, then they go into the